Welcome to AsadTech Edge, your go-to channel for exploring the fascinating world of technology and artificial intelligence. Here, we bring you the latest insights, tools, and innovations shaping the future. In today's video, we'll be diving into the best AI study tools that can transform the way you learn, enhance your productivity, and make your educational journey more efficient. Let's get started. Best AI study tools. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence has transformed the way we learn, making education more efficient, personalized, and accessible. From automating tasks to providing tailored learning experiences, AI study tools have become indispensable for students and professionals alike. In this video, we'll explore some of the best AI-powered study tools that can revolutionize the way you approach learning. So, let's dive in and discover how you can enhance your productivity and knowledge retention with these tools. Let's move towards AI study tools. AI writing assistants. AI writing assistants like Grammarly and Quillbot have become essential tools for improving writing skills and productivity. Grammarly not only checks for grammatical errors, but also enhances your writing style by suggesting better word choices and sentence structures. On the other hand, Quillbot is a great paraphrasing tool that can help you rephrase sentences while maintaining their original meaning, making it perfect for academic writing and assignments. Smart note-taking tools. Keeping track of your notes is crucial for effective learning, and AI tools like Notion and Evernote take note-taking to the next level. Notion allows you to organize your notes, create study plans, and collaborate with others seamlessly. Evernote's AI features, such as handwriting recognition and smart search, ensure that you can easily locate and manage your study materials, whether they're text-based or handwritten. AI-powered language learning apps. Learning a new language has never been easier, thanks to AI-powered apps like Duolingo and Babbel. These apps use advanced algorithms to provide personalized lessons, track your progress, and adapt to your learning pace. With engaging exercises and real-time feedback, they make language learning fun and effective, whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills. AI tutoring platforms. AI tutoring platforms such as Khan Academy and ScribeSense offer personalized learning experiences for students of all ages. Khan Academy's AI-powered features recommend lessons based on your strengths and weaknesses, helping you focus on areas that need improvement. Similarly, ScribeSense uses AI to evaluate handwritten assignments and provide detailed feedback, making it an excellent tool for both students and educators. AI flashcard tools. For effective memorization and revision, AI flashcard tools like Anki and Quizlet are game changers. These platforms use spaced repetition algorithms to help you remember information more effectively. Anki allows you to create custom flashcards and tracks your progress to ensure you focus on areas where you need improvement. Quizlet, on the other hand, offers pre-made flashcards on various topics and interactive learning modes like games and quizzes. AI study planners. Managing your time effectively is key to successful learning, and AI study planners like My Study Life and Todait are here to help. My Study Life allows you to organize your study schedule, track assignments, and set reminders for important deadlines. Todait takes it a step further by analyzing your study patterns and suggesting optimal schedules to maximize your productivity. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence has brought about a revolution in the field of education, making learning smarter, faster, and more personalized. The tools we've discussed in this video can help you write better, take smarter notes, learn new languages, and manage your time more efficiently. Whether you're a student or a lifelong learner, these AI study tools can empower you to achieve your goals more effectively. For related videos with visuals, description, and English subtitles, links are given in description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AsadTech Edge for more insights on AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.